2891. Oops. Hey, Dwight.
You got it.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Here you are.
Have a good
Enjoy.
day.
Have a good one. So, this one was a code delivery. And just finish it. Got a delivery for. Alright, so we are right here at the good old McDonald's for $10 delivery, and we are 4 minutes early. Okay, so this is actually a house. I love house deliveries. 1340. Still gotta open people's doors, and you have to make sure that there are no dogs. This house has dogs, but not here in the front yard. You might hear the dogs barking right now. And gotta take a picture. At night, the flash comes on. Cha-ching! Okay, next delivery. Alright, so we have a real Italian pizza pickup. And this one's a $11 delivery. Alright, so we got that. This is a Doordash pizza order. Doordash orders are really hard because they're really critical about getting it on time and on right.